For this next step, you'll need the 4 angle brace assemblies with the Gator grommets already installed, along with the Kevlar ratchet strap. Make sure all angle braces and Gator grommets are aligned in the same direction, and confirm that the top of each grommet lines up with the strap. Take the free-running end of the strap and thread it under the first strap guide, behind the center post of the angle brace, over the reinforced edge, and then through the second strap guide. Repeat this process for all 4 angle braces. Make sure all of your angle braces are oriented the same way and that your strap has no twists. Next, wrap the Kevlar strap around the perimeter of the generator, positioning each angle brace at the corners. Start on the electrical panel side and work your way toward the exhaust side. Whenever possible, center the ratchet buckle on a clean, open side of the case of the inverter generator. Pull the excess strap toward the center, as if preparing to thread it through the ratchet. At this stage, adjust the 2 front angle braces so they sit close to the electrical panel. Feed the free end of the strap through the center spool of the ratchet. Pull the slack tight, then give the ratchet a few clicks to apply tension to the angle braces. Now, with some tension on the strap, shimmy the angle braces on the opposite side loosely up the case into place. Check that the Kevlar strap has no twists or bends, making sure neither the strap or the angle braces sit directly in front of the exhaust port. The strap should run above or below the exhaust port. Take any excess from the strap, fold or roll it toward the ratchet, and secure it with the included slack management strap. If the Kevlar strap is too loose, it will feel sloppy and won't make a clean thrum when plucked. If it's too tight, the angle braces and Gator grommets may start to splay outward, showing pressure on the case, and still not producing the proper sound. To adjust, open the ratchet lever and back off a few clicks of the release if too tight, or ratchet the buckle tighter if too loose, until the strap is taut and gives a clear, thrumming sound when plucked.